I hope you all are safe at home. Today, we are going to learn maths subject. Come on, let's learn now. Chapter 8. Lesson heading is Measurement. 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 Today, we are going to learn measuring length and measuring weight. Measuring length and measuring weight. Here one more topic is present, measuring capacity. But today you are going to learn these two alone. In measurement, two methods are used to measure things. Usually we are using two methods. One is non-standard units. Another one is standard units. One is non-standard units. Another one is standard units. Look at this picture, kids. Measuring length. This is measuring length. In this picture, you can able to see hand span, foot span, cubit. Hand span, foot span, cubits. These are non-standard units. These are non-standard units. These instruments are used to measure length, width and height. Small scale, long scale and inch tape are given here. These are standard units. These are used to measure the length. Look at this one, non-standard units to measure length. What are they? Hand span, foot span and cubit. Am I right, kids? And standard units to measure length, meter and centimeter. We usually write the centimeter as cm and meter as m. On one side of the ruler, we can able to see the centimeters. The length of the ruler or scale is divided into many equal parts. No, 10 of these parts make 1 centimeter. 10 of these parts make 1 centimeter. In non-standard units of measurement, we cannot get the exact measurement of things. Therefore, we need standard units of measuring things. I repeat again, in non-standard units of measurement, we can't get the exact measurement. So, we need the standard units. Look at these pictures. Now we are going to learn measuring weight. Measuring weight. Can you able to see the balance picture? Weighing balance and weight also present now. Non-standard units of measuring weight. We are using the weighing balance. In standard units of measuring weight, we are using grams and kilograms. In grocery shops, we can able to see the standard units. Grams and kilograms weight, we can able to see that. Or else we can able to see in the roadside shops. Green grocers have no. Yes. So look at this picture. This is weighing balance. In one pan side, left hand side, one kadai is present. In the another side, stone is present. In this method, we cannot get the exact measurement. Here are the standard weights. 50 gram, 100 gram, 200 gram, 500 gram, 1 kilogram, like that. We can write the gram as G and kilogram as kg. In shops, usually heavy objects are measured in kilograms and light objects are measured in grams. Look at this picture. Some people are buying and selling things in the market. See how we measure weight using a weighing balance. First, we place the object to be weighted in one pan of the balance. Now, we start placing the weights in the other pan. Then, we stop adding weights when both pans are balanced or equal in weight. For example, sambar powder, chili powder, coriander powder, cumin, mustard, fenugreek, like these powders are measuring in grams. Look at this one. Rice, wheat,
I hope you enjoyed the session.
or
Thanks for
measuring
listening.
in kilograms.
Bye to all.
Measuring in kilograms, kg.